all praise to Yahweh Shem HaMashiach Yahweh Shah. All praises due. All praises due. Just got done making a video, you know what I mean? So it's gonna be coming shortly. I know this one gonna post first. Just want to keep y'all a little entertained before that video posts, you know what I mean? Talk about a little shit. Times are getting closer, man. I know it seems like they keep pushing shit back as far as like, you know, the mandate. First they said December, no, first they said November, then they pushed it back to December, then January 4th, now February. They just keep pushing the shit back, man. But the most I said, he was gonna wear us out, bro. He trying our faith, man. You know what I mean? A lot of people, they'll lose faith, man. You know, I don't think this shit gonna happen. Alright, man. The moment you start speaking that shit, bro, and it happens, you're gonna be feeling shitty, man. So you better stick with it, bro. You better stick with it. Cause most I didn't say this shit was gonna be easy, man. Yahweh Shah himself didn't say it was gonna be easy. He said enter in at the straight gate. So I tell y'all, bro, don't worry about the shit that's to come, bro. You know, most I humble my ass with that shit, bro. You worried about, you know what I mean? I'm looking at the news, I see like, oh shit, I think they finna have a war. You know what I mean? But then lo and behold, a couple months later, they still didn't even have the shit, bro. Or, oh shit, look at that, that's a big sign right there. But he wasn't in it, bro. Alright? So this is why we just gotta worry about the here and the now, bro. And stop worrying about shit that's around us, bro. Cause it can distract you, bro. And knock you off your square. Cause you think one thing gonna happen when really the next gonna happen. You know what I mean? So just gotta stay humble. Gotta stay patient, bro. That's the main thing, bro. Gotta stay patient, bro. The Most High in due time will reward us, bro. But I mean, from the way things are looking now, bro, it's only gonna get worse before it gets better, bro. I'm really being honest. We still didn't get kicked out of house. You know what I mean? I can say this: we still enjoying ourselves, bro. I know it's a pain being in this society, bro. You know, as far as like work, whether you be at school, you got college, you gotta worry about this, gotta worry about turning this assignment, this essay, this test, all that shit, bro. You know, but I mean, at the end of the day, we still ain't shit really happened to us, man. You know what I mean? So, yeah, bro. Just gotta remain patient, man. You gotta show me your driveway, bro. I don't even know why you even tried to get out. But yeah, man. Just gotta remain patient, bro. Gotta remain. All praises due. So yeah, man. Ain't really much to this video. I think I kind of went over everything that I need to go in the video. I think I went over everything that I needed to go over in my other video. Again, this is just off a little entertainment. You know, take a ride with me, bro. Listen to some music with me and shit. But yeah, man. Stop worrying about shit, bro. Get that off the back of your mind, bro. Listen to some music or something, man. Entertain yourself, bro. Live in the present moment, baby. It's only gonna get worse. All praises due, he didn't kick us the fuck out when it was when it's like this, man. Man, if he do, man, fuck it, bro. If he don't, all praises, man. You know what I mean? If he do, all praises because it's early, and if he don't, all praises because it's warm. You know what I mean? Can't get mad at the Most High, bro. You gotta. Almost home. Almost home. I'm actually need my back camera. Oh yeah, I can't even see through the back camera. Oh, looks like I gotta use mine. Yep, definitely fucked that up. Too much damn snow. There we go. That's better. Come on, get in there. There we go. Oh, praises. I think I got it. All right. Well, that's the end of this video, man. I just wanted to do a little short video. You know what I mean? A little entertainment. Ooh, this my shit. But anyways, I don't need to hear this. Hey, love y'all. Shalom.